Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice channel. I'm Mary, and today I'm joined again by my wonderful friend, John.
Hi Mary. Hi everyone. It's so good to be here again with all of you. Every time we record, I get excited because we help our listeners grow in their English and their confidence.
That's true. And today's topic is very special. It's about talking about goals. We'll learn how to speak about our dreams, our plans, and the things we want to achieve in simple, clear English.
Yes, it's one of my favorite topics. Everyone has dreams, maybe to learn English fluently, to travel, to start a business, or to get fit. But sometimes, we don't know how to express those dreams in English. So today, we'll learn how to do that step by step.
Before we start, let's think about something powerful. Why do we need goals? John, what do you think?
Good question, Mary. I think goals are like maps. They show us where we want to go. Without a goal, we just move around. But with a goal, we move forward.
Yes. That's a great example. So, if you want to speak English better, that's your goal. If you want to travel the world, that's your goal. If you want to wake up early every morning to improve yourself, that's also a goal.
Exactly. And remember, everyone's goals don't have to be big at first. Even a small goal, like I will learn 5 new English words every day, is a good start.
Right. Step by step. Every big dream starts with small actions. And today, we're going to learn some easy English phrases you can use to talk about your goals in daily life, in class, or with friends. So, let's imagine you're having a friendly chat with someone. You can start by asking simple questions like, what are your goals? What do you want to do in the future? Do you have any dreams? John, can you give us an example?
Sure, I can say, hey Mary, what are your goals for this year?
I can answer. My goal is to become healthier and learn a new skill.
Good one. And I can say, my goal is to read more books and practice English every day.
Those are excellent goals. Let's repeat the structure. Everyone, say it with us. My goal is to plus verb. For example, my goal is to travel. My goal is to study harder. My goal is to learn English. My goal is to be more confident.
That's right. And here's another way to say it. I want to plus verb. Like, I want to learn English. I want to visit another country. I want to make new friends. I want to speak English fluently.
Perfect. So, my goal is to, and I want to, are very common ways to talk about your dreams and plans. Simple, clear, and natural.
Let's make it fun, Mary. How about we share 3 goals each and tell our listeners why they matter to us?
I love that idea. Okay, I'll start. My first goal is to wake up early every morning. When I wake up early, I have more time for myself to think, read, and plan my day.
That's a great goal. Early mornings feel peaceful. What's your second goal?
My second goal is to practice English every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. I want to improve my pronunciation and learn new words.
That's smart. Small, daily habits lead to big results.
Exactly. And my third goal is to travel to a new country next year, maybe Japan or Italy. I want to explore, meet new people, and use English when I travel.
Wonderful goals, Mary. Now my turn. My first goal is to exercise more. I want to be strong and full of energy. My second goal is to read at least one book every month, to learn something new and keep my mind active. And my third goal is to teach English to more people, to help them feel confident when they speak.
That's beautiful, John. You see, everyone's goals can be big or small. What matters is that they inspire you to move forward. Now, I want to ask everyone listening, what is your goal? Take a moment and think about it. Maybe your goal is to learn English. Maybe it's to find a better job. Maybe it's to help your family or become a more confident person. Whatever your goal is, say it out loud in English.
Yes, you can say, my goal is to learn English every day, or I want to speak English with confidence.
That's right. Speaking your goal out loud helps your brain believe it's possible. So don't be shy to say it. Write it and repeat it.
Let's quickly teach our listeners some more useful goal-related phrases. You can write these down or repeat after us.
Let's go. I'm working on my goal. I'm trying to improve myself. I'm learning something new every day. I'm getting better step by step. I'm proud of my progress. I will never give up.
Great job, everyone. These short sentences are powerful. They are easy to remember, and they help you sound confident and positive when you talk about your dreams.
Now, before we end this first part, I want to say something important. Learning English or chasing any goal is not always easy. Sometimes you'll feel tired. Sometimes you'll make mistakes. But remember, mistakes mean progress.
That's so true, Mary. Every mistake is a lesson, and every time you practice, you're getting closer to your goal, even if you don't see it right away.
Exactly. So never give up. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep moving forward.
And if you want more lessons like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment telling us, what is your goal? We
love reading your comments and learning about your dreams. So, write them in English. It's great practice too.
Alright, everyone. This was just the beginning in part 2. We'll talk about how to make your goals real, how to plan, stay motivated, and stay focused.
Hey, everyone. Thanks for your stay. We talked about how to dream big, set goals, and believe in yourself.
That's right. And now, we're taking it one step further. We're going to act on those dreams.
Yes, because goals mean nothing without action.
Exactly. So let's learn some simple English sentences you can use when you talk about taking action and making progress.
Okay, John. Let's start with a simple question. What are your plans for this week?
Oh, that's a great one. I can answer. My plan for this week is to practice English every day.
Nice. Let's repeat that, everyone. My plan for this week is to practice English every day. You can also say, I want to start working on my goals.
Or, I will write down my goals in my notebook.
That's a good habit. When you write things down, you remember them better.
Okay, let's imagine it's Monday morning.
Oh no, Monday again.
Yes, the day everyone says, I'll start today.
So, you can say, today, I will wake up early. I will go for a short walk. I will spend 10 minutes speaking English out loud.
That's a great routine. Simple, easy, and powerful.
You don't have to do big things. Small steps every day build strong habits. Sometimes people start strong but stop after a few days. Why does that happen?
Oh, yes, that's common. Sometimes we feel lazy or we think we are not improving.
Exactly. So, we need to use positive sentences to keep going.
For example, say, I can do it. I am improving every day. I believe in myself.
And don't forget, say it with feeling. Smile when you say it. That's right.
Your body and your mind are connected. If you smile, your brain feels positive energy.
Okay, now let's practice a short conversation. Hey John, what's your goal for this month?
My goal is to finish reading one English book.
Oh, that's nice. Which book?
I'm reading The Little Prince. It's simple and beautiful.
Wow, that's a lovely book. My goal is to speak English with confidence in front of my students.
That's a great goal, Mary. Let's help each other.
Yes, teamwork makes dreams work.
I love that line.
Okay, John, let's talk about challenges. What if someone says it's too hard?
Good question. I'd say, don't give up. Every expert was once a beginner.
That's true. Everyone starts small. Even when it feels hard, you're learning something.
You can say, I made a mistake, but I learned from it. I will try again tomorrow. I am not perfect, but I am improving.
Beautiful. Mistakes are part of the journey. Let's do a quick review of today's sentences.
Sure, repeat after us. My plan for this week is to practice English every day. I will write down my goals. I can do it. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I will try again tomorrow.
Great job, everyone. You sound more confident already.
Yes, and remember, learning English is not a race. It's a journey.
That's right. Enjoy the process.
So, before we go, what's your goal for today?
Type it in the comments below. Let's make a community of goal setters and dreamers.
And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't.
Oh, that one's going to be powerful.
Yes, so stay tuned. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep growing. See you next time.